Good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss class 12 chemistry. That means we have to discuss about the class 12 chemistry. Guys, and our chapter name is D and F block elements. D and F block elements. In our previous video, we have to discuss about some important compound in terms of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2S7. Our topic is properties of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. We have to also discuss that in terms of chromate ion formation, In previous section of video, we have to discuss about the some properties, that is the action of heat, that is the action of bases, that means how potassium dichromate combine with bases and what are the products are the form. We have to discuss that the terms that is evaporated in terms for the formations of some change in color in terms of the properties. So that's all are the substances we have to discuss. In today's section, we have to discuss about the how reaction with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in terms of acidified way. That means according to this property we have to discuss about the reaction of this chromate with the acidified hydrogen peroxide. That means we have to discuss about the formation in terms of the reaction where this chromate is combined with hydrogen peroxide. What could happen after the resulting product, what are the products are formed, and what is the change we have to see after the completing of this reaction. That means in the terms of this formations, we have to get that generally in terms of this, we have to see that this is acidified solution, the acidified solution of this dichromate that contain blue in color. Chromate color when it react with hydrogen peroxide, the next formation is CrO5, and the change in color property gets occurred where it gets faded away. That means we have to discuss in previous section in terms of the formations of when this dichromate is combined with bases. Our color properties also gets apparent. That means the red orange vapors are formed. Other hand, when you have to discuss this point in terms of the action of it, also you have to discuss or in action of bases in terms of that. That is, orange color of potassium dichromate is generally changed in terms of yellowish. During this formation, we have to see that the chromate ion Cr2O7 concentrations have been to change in color formation in terms from blue to faded away after the combination of this acidified hydrogen peroxide. That means why does all are happen? The reason is of this changed color is due to its variable valencies and its oxidation state formation of this chromate 4 forming Cr+3. That means this variable valency state, that means this is variable oxidation state are reforming the formation of our substance, that is the Cr chromium have to taking the position of +3 oxidation state in terms of the +5 configuration, and this change the color of the faded away from the blue to faded. This is the formation when this dichromate or chromate ion combined with hydrogen peroxide. Now we have to discuss about this reaction formation. That means here the reaction is written in terms that Cr2O7 is combined with H2O2 plus H positive terms. Our resultant product is began to be formed in terms of the formation, that is CrO5 plus H2O. So this is our regarded reaction for the formation, and this is our reaction regarded as the properties in terms of the combination of H2O2 now. So the guys, you have to know about the mechanisms formations, what are the changes get actually applied on the reaction, and what are the formation of products that are accumulated from you in terms of the properties only. So take a screenshot of this. After that we have to discuss another properties of this chromate dichromate formation. Okay. After that, in this formation we have to also discuss in terms of the creations of the CrO5 structure, how can you illustrate. So this could actually happen in terms of the formation of, you know, about in terms of inorganic chemistry, this is the most popular infrastructure of the CrO5, that is butterfly structures are could get happen. For this formation we have to see about this structure, that is Cr combined with this O, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth, and concentration in terms like the formation of this having oxidation state formation in terms of the formation, just like this is -1 concentration, this is -1 concentration and -2, that is you have 2 + 2 + 4, that is +6 oxidation state are the formation in terms of this structure. This is the CrO5 butterfly structure, and this structure is usually very spontaneous for us, because in the terms of the redox reaction, when we understanding and when we studying about the knowing of and calculation of oxidation number, we have to discuss this is exceptional things in the formation where these arrangements are being discussed. That means when there are some another type of compounds are usually found in chemistry or in inorganic chemistry in terms of this compound, that is the variation of oxidation state dependent on their structure. So guys, everything are connected to each other, not to be in terms of their separated values, everything are originated in terms of this, and this is could happen in terms of the studying properties. So just understand, revise this guys. So take a screenshot, complete a screenshot for this. Okay. Okay, now we have to discuss about the another action with hydrochloric acid. Now the guys, we have to discuss about the formations, that means we have to discuss about the composition, where we have to discuss here this properties in terms of the combination of potassium dichromate with HCl, and what were the resultant here the form, what are the gases get evaporated evolved in this formation, we have to discuss during this property. According to this property we have to discuss about how the potassium dichromate react with hydrochloric acid, and what product are formed. as usual mean we have to discuss that after the completing their product, chlorine gas is evolved. We have to discuss about the reaction mechanism here. K2Cr2O7 combine with HCl. What are the product here we formed? That is KCl plus CrCl3 plus H2O and Cl2 chlorine gas is evolved from this reaction. The chlorine gas is evolved. That means this is the property we have to be discussed in this formation. That means in terms of the property